Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. And recently I took a very quick day-and-a-half trip to Walt Disney World. I wanted to go for Mickey's Not So Scary Halloween party, and an opportunity was given to me and I wanted to take on that opportunity, so I did. And so I went quickly from my road trip with my mom down to Orlando for a day-and-a-half of Disney fun. So you can never resist a fun trip to Disney. And of course I was there for a day-and-a-half. It is hard to believe the stuff that I piled in as far as merchandise that I picked up while I was there, but I was gonna go ahead and show you guys what I picked up, minus two of the things right now. I picked up 2 bags of cheddar cheese popcorn because Brian wanted me to bring some home for him, and I brought home some caramel corn popcorn, and we both finished that up already. That's why I went ahead and posted a picture of it on Instagram the other day, because I knew that before I was able to sit down and do a haul, that popcorn would be gone. But that is one of the snacks that we like to bring home with us. We'd like to have it there as well, but we also like to bring some home with us to have when we get home. So what is one of your favorite snacks that you guys like to bring home with you guys from your Disney trip? Obviously the popcorn is ours. So let's go ahead and get started, and I'm going to show you guys some of the stuff that I picked up while I was on my trip to Disney. Okay, so first things first, while I was at the Polynesian waiting for my reservation for breakfast, I walked around the little store there, which is always dangerous, I know, but I did pick up a few things while I was there, just 3. I picked up this really cute pin, again, to add to my pin collection, because I absolutely love collecting the pins from Disney. So I got this cute little pin. This is one that I've never seen before. It just says Walt Disney World 2018. It has a picture of the castle, the tree, and it has a picture of Epcot, the Spaceship Earth, and then I think it has a picture like down here, like below, underneath Minnie Mouse. I can't really tell, but I think that might be like the Chinese theater. I'm not really sure, but it doesn't have like the top of it. But anyway, nonetheless, it just says Walt Disney World 2018, so I love that. And then while I was there too, I picked up just this cute little notebook that I could actually keep in my purse with me and just jot down things that I need to from time to time. I just thought this was super cute. This was a $14.99, and I don't know how much this pin was because it was yellow. So whatever the yellow is there at the store, that's how much that was. But anyway, this was $14.99. And then of course I had to have a pin to match. So I went ahead and got this cute mini pin. It just says Minnie Mouse. It's red. It's white with red polka dots. It matches the book perfectly. So I thought this would be super cute just to have in my purse when I need it. So I'm going to throw that in there as soon as I am finished with this. And then I have these 2 things. Okay, so when I went into Hollywood Studios really quick, just to see Toy Story, and I saw that they had these cauldron buckets for popcorn there as well, and I had to get one because I absolutely love collecting these things. I just think they're really fun to actually have around the house for the holidays, and I love the fact that these little straps come off, so you don't have to have those on there all the time. That way you can just sit this around your house. I'm trying to pull that little thing off. Ugh. Anyway, there you go. See, it comes off. So you can take these off and you just have a regular cauldron sitting around your house. And I actually thought it was really cute because, again, I could put candy inside of this thing, snacks for Halloween around my house in this, so it's really cute. So this is what I like about it. The lid lifts up, super adorably cute. It's battery operated and it lights up. So, well, it's supposed to light up. Maybe it's not going to light up right now. Maybe the battery burnt out. But anyway, there's batteries up in here, and then when you push this button, oh, actually it started to light up right there just a little bit. So there it is. It's kind of like, it lights up and then it kind of like flashes. I don't know if you guys can see the flashing. So there's a flashing, and then it lights up around the rim as well. So this is really cute. It's a really nice deep bucket. Like I said, I could put candy inside of it or whatever. Absolutely love it. Super cute. Alrighty, so the other bucket that I picked up, popcorn bucket, was Oogie Boogie. And I got Oogie Boogie at the Halloween party Friday night. And again, his straps come off so you can just sit him out. I believe he glows in the dark as well. You guys can tell by the neon. And then they just fill him up in the back full of popcorn. And this thing is full of popcorn. Well, not now, it's not, but it was full of popcorn. But anyway, Brian likes Oogie Boogie, and I do too. He's a cute character, but Brian really likes him. So that's why I decided to get him. Again, I can set him out for Halloween and just, again, remember my time at Mickey's Not So Scary Halloween party. So, I got those 2 little buckets. And then the next thing that I got, let's see, I got 4 bags full of stuff. So, let's go ahead and go through that. So the next thing that I picked up while I was there, I picked up this cute Halloween pin. This one just has Mickey and Minnie on the front of it. It's just their Halloween pin that they have. Again, I'm not sure how much this was because it was under the silver, so I'm not really sure how much the silver was. But anyway, I picked up this cool ornament. This was the Headless Horseman ornament. Love this because the Headless Horseman is just like such an iconic I don't know what you call him. He's iconic to Mickey's Not So Scary Halloween party. He comes out first right before the party starts with, you know, the little pumpkin as his head. But anyway, this was cute. This was $21.99. So I absolutely love it. He is so cute. I love this guy. And then I got this mug, you guys. Look at this mug. This is that apple from Snow White. And I actually have this apple in a big plastic thing. It's sitting over there. And I think I got, what did I get? An ice cream last year. And I think I got that at, where did I get that? I got that at Disneyland last year. This is the mug though. I love it. And I'm going to hang this up over by all of my Halloween mugs. This was $22.99 and it's definitely worth it. Absolutely love this mug. And this is the first time I've ever seen this mug. And I only saw a couple of them there and I wanted to snag this before they were gone. Alright, then the next thing that I picked up was just this cute little Mickey pumpkin basket, little thingy, super cute. I think this was $7.99, and inside of it, it has candy corn, or there was other ones there that just had like little pumpkins in it, but I love candy corn, so I got the one with candy corn in it, and on the back it just says, I want candy. So this is so cute. It's a little tiny like trick-or-treat bucket. I love him. He's super, super cute. Alrighty, so when I arrived there on Thursday afternoon, I took a little drive over to Disney Springs and walked around for a little bit. I kind of wanted to see the new and improved Disney store. So I went in there and I picked up a few things while I was in there as well. First things first, I picked up this mug. I have been eyeballing this mug on a few of the videos that I've been watching, and this was just a super cute mug. I only got one of them. It was $19.99. It's Mickey. It's super cute. On the back of it, it says, "Boo to you." Perfect mug to add to my collection. Perfect mug to drink coffee, coffee from with Brian, for Brian, and tea for me, or hot cocoa. But I just think it's just super cute and I absolutely love it. And then I picked up two new plush dolls. I got the Mickey's little vampire plush, and he was $19.99, and I like the detail because his little cape has like little pumpkins and stuff inside. It's super cute, solid orange in the back. He's got little feety. It's super cute. He was so happy that I brought him home with me. And then of course, no plush Mickey is complete without the plush Minnie. So I picked up the plush Minnie as well, and her little cape is super cute, solid pink in the back with a little black in the back, but you could actually lift it up. Super cute. She doesn't have like the fangs like Mickey does, and his fangs are candy corns. How cute is that? But anyway, she just has a cute little like skull necklace on. She was also $19.99, so I'm very happy to add these guys to my collection. And then I picked up some new ears, but, oh good, so I don't have them. So the ears that I have up here are just my black ones with the spider web kind of like on them, but these are the new ones that I wanted, which are the solid orange ears with the black bow and the orange polka dots. So I bought these ears while I was there. I never wore them. I really never do wear the ears. I just have them sitting around my house, or sitting around in my bedroom. And with that being said, let me know if you guys would be interested in seeing my ear collection. Leave me a comment below and say, yes, I want to see your ear collection, because I have quite a few ears and I thought maybe you guys might enjoy me sharing them with you. So, but these are the new set of ears that I bought. I love them so much. I actually didn't wear them, but I should have, because they're just super cute. But I'll remember to wear them maybe next year. And then last thing that I picked up at the World of Disney new store at Disney Springs was this cute little bag. I carry a lot of things around, like to my neighbor's house, back and forth, food, snacks, that type of thing. And this bag is really, really handy for such things. So I picked this bag up, and I believe, yeah, $5.99 for this bag. So, and I love the fact that it's got like Mickey's, like the Ferris wheel look to it from Disneyland. And then it's got Epcot, it's got Walt Disney World up here, Epcot, Animal Kingdom, and Hollywood Studios all the way around it. It's the same on both sides. So I love that bag. And then I'm not done yet. Alrighty, so the next thing that I picked up, and I picked these things up at Mickey's Not So Scary Halloween Party on my way out that night. This was one of the things that I picked up, was this is just like a metal cauldron. It's got a cute little handle at the top. I don't know if I can like cut that open or not. Let's see if I can cut that open. Let's see. I can show you guys what it looks like when you have the little handle. So here's what it looks like with the little handle. It's super cute. This was, how much was this thing? Let's see. Oh, $11.99. And basically what this is, besides being adorably cute, is cocoa. So you got hot cocoa in here. So I thought how perfect that would be for hot cocoa. I could make some hot cocoa and put it in my apple mug, or I could put it in my Mickey mug, the Boo to You mug. It's super cute. So it's just cocoa, and I love it, and I love this so much because you can just continue to reuse it. It's so cute. I always put stuff on like dates and stuff so I can remember the year that I bought everything. And then lastly, what I got was, first things first, this is the pass holder shirt, and it glows in the dark. So this is the pass holder shirt. I absolutely love it. I love these kind of like shirts that, what is this called? Like a sports shirt, like a baseball jersey or jersey shirt or something like that. Anyway, I love these kind of shirts. But anyway, this one has a pass holder down here at the bottom. It glows in the dark. It says 2018. Absolutely love this. It's super cute. And it was $32.99. Love the shirt. And then they have a pass holder bag as well, which love it. Hocus Pocus. It's got the Sanderson sisters on the front, and on the back it just says 25 years of Hocus Pocus. So, and I think this is so cute because I love watching that movie Hocus Pocus. So, and I'm really excited to start watching it this year. But anyway, I love this bag, and this was $24.99. It's also a pass holder bag, so you guys can see down here it just says pass holder. So love it. Super cute. Very, very happy with all of the stuff that I purchased while I was there. And like I said, I got quite a few things on this day-and-a-half trip. And like I said, it was hard to believe that I could actually purchase so much in such a short period of time. But I did. It's Disney. And I'm like, let's let it rain, people. Let it rain. It's Disney, right? So isn't that something that always happens when you go to Disney? Oh, well, can't help it. Love Disney so much that you just gotta have a piece of Disney every single time you go, and you get to bring it back home with you and just kind of remember that trip and where you bought it and the reason why you bought it. And that's kind of what I like the most. But anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. And if you guys missed any of my Disney videos, I will go ahead and put them up here. That way you guys can go back and relive those fun Disney memories with me as well. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!